35. Careful. Alright. Hi, baby. What's your name?
My name is Cher Francine Mostar.
Cher Francine Mostar. What's your nickname? Cher or Francine?
Francine.
Francine. Alright. Francine, how old are you?
I am 6 years old.
6 years old. And when is your birthday?
My birthday is in October 14.
October 14. Perfect. So, Tita Donna will ask for this one or Tito Adrian? Tito Adrian will ask you a question, yeah? Okay.
Francine, in bed, in the evening, before you go to sleep, do you pray to Papa Jesus? What do you pray for?
I pray for that I will have a good day after that day.
My God. Very good. Very simple but very
Advanced
sincere.
thinking.
Advanced thinking.
Oo naman, hingin siya nga. Okay naman akong adlakan ugma na san.
Goodbye and then good day all the time.
Diba? Perfect. Alright, Francine, what are you going to do for us today? Sing, dance?
Dance.
Dance. She's going to dance for us today. Alright, are you ready?